We are autonomous robotic organisms from the planet Cybertron, also known as Autobots.
Why are you here?
To protect your planet from the Decepticons.
Okay, why are they here?
A fair question, Jack. In part, they are here because our planet is uninhabitable, ravaged by centuries of civil war.
Why were you fighting a war?
Foremost, over control of our world's supply of Energon, the fuel and lifeblood of all Autobots and Decepticons alike. The combat was fierce and endured for centuries. In the beginning, I fought alongside one whom I considered a brother. But in war, ideals can be corrupted. And it was thus that Megatron lost his way.
Is there gonna be a quiz?